The Members Mark, Adirondack, and the POLYWOOD Classic Adirondack chair are both popular options when it comes to outdoor seating. They come in the same price range of around $200, but the POLYWOOD is slightly more expensive and their brand is much more established. It is difficult to compare their qualities without putting it to real-life tests, so I bought the Members Mark from Sam's Club and the POLYWOOD from Amazon to give them a try. I've used both of them in my backyard for about a year, and here are some key differences between the two. Both chairs have a classic Adirondack design with wide armrests and a high backrest. However, the Members Mark is significantly bigger and it even comes with a slide-out cup holder. It also has a more rustic look with a wood-like texture. POLYWOOD chair has a more refined look with smoother edges and a sleeker design. It is much more portable, not just because of its smaller size, but also because it can be folded flat for easy storage and transportation. Material. The Members Mark chair is made of polystyrene, while the POLYWOOD chair is made of high-density polyethylene or HDPE lumber. Polystyrene is a type of UV-protected and weather-resistant plastic, while HDPE is a durable and weather-resistant plastic lumber that is made from recycled materials. While both materials are resistant to weather and outdoor elements, HDPE is generally considered more durable and longer-lasting than polystyrene. It can endure many types of harsh weather and environmental stressors. I used both of them for about a year. While the Members Mark color is slightly fading away, the POLYWOOD still looks like new. I left them outside all the time without any cover, even during winter storms. Maintenance. Both chairs are designed to be low maintenance and easy to clean. The POLYWOOD chair requires minimal upkeep as it is resistant to stains, scratches, and corrosive substances. The Members Mark chair is also easy to clean, but may require a bit more maintenance over time due to its polystyrene material, especially if you want to keep its original color. In conclusion, both the Members Mark Adirondack chair and the POLYWOOD Classic Folding Adirondack have their own unique features and benefits. The Members Mark chair is a more affordable option that is made of polystyrene, while the POLYWOOD chair is made of high-density polyethylene lumber and has a more refined design. The Members Mark chair is generally less expensive than the POLYWOOD chair, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for an Adirondack chair. I bought both of them on sale, but the price difference was still about $50. The POLYWOOD is the clear winner, but if you want to save some money, the Members Mark is not a bad choice.